So this is HomeRight's auto steam machine, and it will steam clean the inside of your vehicles. It's pretty cool. It takes about 8 minutes for the steam to get pressure, so that's what we're waiting on right now. It also comes with your measuring cup. You can put about 40 ounces of water in it, so it's like 2.5 of these, and it comes with a funnel and another cleaning rag. So it comes with everything that you need. It's quick and easy to put together, and can't wait. It also comes with these little nozzles. These are the firm ones. They're soft. I mean, there's a small and a bigger one. And then it also comes with 2 soft ones that we have in this little nifty storage container. But we are going to see what the HomeRight auto steam machine can do. And hopefully it gets this truck looking to brand new. I know my hubby will be happy. It comes off pretty easily, doesn't it? Are you having to scrub really hard?
No problem. I got a hard time seeing.
Pretty awesome. Let me see the bottom of it. That's pretty gross.